Sa ating skin. Let's go. Lalabas natin yung mga makeup nating bago kasi nga ako magme-makeup sa akin for today. So good luck. Ito na ang ating look. Magli-lipstick lang ako, tapos magpapahair muna ako sa Asda. So, see you guys later! So, ulan guys. So, yan. Sana hindi ma-traffic. It's 6 PM now. 7:45 pa naman yung event. So, let's go! Si Miss Mia. Yes, hello! Ayan guys. Hindi. Sobrang ganda na guys. So, punta kayo dito. Last time nagpa-hair color tayo dito sa Asta. Here in Argovia. Ngayon naman nagpa-style tayo kay Miss Mia. Thank you so much po. Hey guys! Joyce Yabut Bartolome here. So for tonight pala, we're attending an event for Klook. First awards night of Klook. So ayan, sama ko kayo tonight. So happy to be here. Let's go!
Imagination and the ability.
I want to thank each and everyone. Look firstly kasi yung Mingali Award, I think it's all for us all the creators here as well. To all of the followers, to my followers, to your followers friends, kasi kung wala sila, di ba? All of those likes, those shares, those saves, sila talaga ang bumubuo to who we are and what we do, and why we do what we do, to bring the world closer.
Hindi man like,
gumawa ng content, or regardless of the gender actually, hindi talaga madali gumawa ng content. And also, thank you sa lahat ng bumoto, sa lahat ng mga followers ko. As what Jax mentioned earlier, sa lahat ng mga followers ko din, as in,
dadating din yung panahon na ma-recognize yung mga bagay na ginagawa ninyo at mag-aaral yung stores kung saan talaga kayo dapat kabilang na niche or platform. So, advice ko lang sa lahat, just keep on creating content, just keep on being inspired to create content. Huwag natin gawin lahat just for the money. Just enjoy what you're doing. Ito, mabibigyan din yung opportunity na mag-shine sa ito yung mga platform na natin. So maraming salamat po! Award na to, pati parang sa ating award din naman to. So maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat sa Philippines. Thank you so much sa support ko. And the more guys sa bayan! Thank you!
Lord, to God be all the glory. Tuloy-tuloy lang sa paggawa ng contents and let's support each other. Thank you, Lord!
Congratulations!
This award is also dedicated po sa lahat ng mga supporters namin actually. Kasi sila po yung nagmo-motivate sa amin. Every time po na may lumalapit po sa amin na Jack and Joe, salamat po sa mga travel tips po nyo. Yun po yung nakakawala ng pagod namin. So, thank you so much, Klo!
Thank you, Klo!
Congratulations, Jack and Joe!
Leader of the Year Gold Award goes to Jax Rhea!
Thank you to Plok talaga, like what I said kanina. I really believe that it's easier to travel because of Plok.
Guys, so it's party time! Hi, Ivan! Can you say hi to the vlog?
Hello po sa vlog ni Ate. Ano po ninyo? Ate Soy!
I love your Indian song!
Ay, ha? Pumunta ka din ng India sa kanang Nepal.
Hindi ko kaya yun, pero si Ivan kaya hindi with my husband. Congratulations! Marami niyang napagandang. Say hi to the vlog! Hello!
Hi, what's your name? Joyce. Hi, Joyce.
Hi!
Supporter.
Yes, I love your song! Ako yung nag-message ko na ito. Yes! I love everything. Hello! Marvin Sabaco! Hello! Thank you! Hi to the vlog! Hello! Ay! Mamaya na kayo! Got some goods, guys, from Clock. Thank you so much. Hello! Ang tapang ng drinks. Wala na sexual. Guys, may pa-photo. Ano guys, magpo-confess na kami guys. Ito na po. Sumama na kami. Welcome to the confession. Ang totoo po ay... Guys, ayan na, end na ating vlog. Pauwi na ako, pero guys, alam nyo ba, parang maiiyak-iyak pa ako. Alam mo kung bakit? Ano ba yan? Bakit mga ganito na kulay natin? Naiiyak-iyak pa ako, bakit? Kasi, guys, alam kong kaya ko rin yun kung anong alam mo yun, iba yung feeling ng awards kasi alam mong pinaghirapan nila at deserve nila yon. Pero deep inside sa akin, sabi ko, shucks, medyo nahuli na, pero nandito na tayo, sinimulan na natin, and kaya rin natin yun. Kung kinaya nila, kaya rin natin kasi guys, 2013 pa talaga tong passion ko sa may vlogging, sa may travel. So, ayan, you'll see more of my... Ay, ang saya ko kasi nakita ko yung mga usual kong pinapanood, guys. Everyday, JM Bangkisyo, Hazel King, nakachikahan ko pa about Europe, Marvin Samaco na lagi nagpapasaya sa akin, at si Archie Larga na talaga namang. Let me explain. So, yun guys, kung kaya nila, kaya rin natin. So, yun. Payo rin naman sa mga speech nila kanina na kung may gusto kang gawin guys, gawin mo na. Kasi, alam mo yun, create ka lang ng create, hindi mo alam, nagbibigay ka ng purpose sa iba. So, ayan, ang puso natin naman talaga ngayon ay talaga namang sobrang sasabog sa sobrang saya. So, ayan, to more events, sana na-attendan natin, and more content na i-create natin. Thank you so much guys for appreciating the vlogs. And, ayun, kasi, yung mga nakita ko today, yun yung mga usual na mini-message nyo sa akin na nakikita nyo yung vlogs ko from their vlogs. Yung pagkat natapos nyo na sila, tayo naman. So, yun guys. Darating din tayo dyan balang araw dahil, alam mo yun, bonus na lang to, yung mga ganitong awards. Basta do what you love. Yung passion guys, kung nandyan na, yung fire dyan guys, ilabas nyo na. So, yun lang. Sana na-inspire kayo today. Diba? From watching your favorite creators to attending events with them. Ayan! Thank you so much for watching the vlog for today. Wala muna tayo masyadong chika, more on montage tayo kasi nga it's an event. So yun guys, I attended the first ever Klook Awards in 2024. So yan, to more events with Klook sana. So yun lang. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. This is so special for me kasi ito talaga ang gusto kong gawin, mag-travel at gumawa ng content for you guys. So yun, this is Joyce Yabut Bartolome, and see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and follow all my social media accounts at Yabut Joyce on Instagram and JY on TikTok. Thank you so much, Klook. So yun guys, if you wanna book travels and get discounts for our hashtag tipid tips, ayan, use my code JoyceChiClook. So yan, thank you so much for watching, and ayun, sana natuwa kayo for bringing you today. It's a milestone for ours. So yun, hashtag Chi Loves. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!